Right, well, it seems sometimes bargains aren't what they all cracked up to be. So at the moment, this was working brilliantly a couple of days ago. Oh, better turn that down. This was working fine a couple of days ago, and then I plugged it in today, and it's not reading discs anymore. Bastard. So I just excuse me, hang on. I've just done the system restore, which said it had corrupt files. Sorry about moving the camera around. Alright. So now we're going to put a game in, which was working yesterday, which I installed, and see if it does work. Now I know that this was working perfectly. I've tried several discs, and it's just not reading the disc. So I would just try to sort the corrupt system files out and see if that works. Yeah, well, that says it all, doesn't it? I mean, no. Just spinning around. Kylie Minogue. Spinning around. Not playing my game. Was yesterday, but it's not right now. So, with the system restore done and the file system done, there's only one thing left to do, and that's take this bitch apart. So I've done a database rebuild. That did nothing. System restore, nothing. Complete restore, nothing. So the hard drive cover is already off, and I've already taken the security seal away, taken the little stupid plug out. I mean, I commented, I think today, I only commented on how easy the PlayStation 1 is to service. This thing is a pain in the rear end. There's the security screw. I think, is that security? No, that's not the security screw. Don't know what I'm talking about. That's the security screw. That is a what is that? That's a Torx T15. I think a Torx T15. So hey, how many covers can Sony put on the PlayStation? See, that's not too bad. That's not too dirty. But I'm going to need 2 hands for this, so check this out. 1 second. Okay, it took me a while to get that off, but when I did, look at this. Oh my friggin' old flipping hellfire! Look at this shit. Ugh. I do believe it needs a bit of a clean. I've never seen, honestly, I've never seen a console that dirty inside. That is gross. Absolutely filthy. It's all around the power leads as well, and I reckon it's probably inside. Well, you can see it's there. You can see it's inside there as well. So I'm hoping that a bloody good clean will sort this out, because that is absolutely gross. It looks like some mice have been living in there and dumped all over it. Disgusting. Hey, the joys of console repair. Let's see how we go. Right, now, as you can see, it's all shiny, beautiful, clean again, like it bloody should be. The fan actually wasn't too bad. I don't think you can see it in there. The fan wasn't too bad. The rest of it was absolutely gunked up with crap. Under all this was covered. The PSU, I've gone inside there and cleaned most of that out inside. It's all absolutely caked in crap. And of course so was the drive, which I haven't opened yet, which will be the next task. It's all cleaned out the front. So now it's the tricky task of opening this boy up and having a very, very delicate fiddle with the laser Okay. Alright. You can see I've got access to the laser through there. So hopefully that'll be enough. I mean, I've already made the mistake of taking that cover off and pissing around with the ribbon, which I shouldn't have really done, because that goes nowhere. That just goes to the underside where the motor is, and the arms are track arms, and of course the control board. So pointless going in that way. Should have thought about that. Don't want to take this apart with the screws here, because mechanisms like this are a pain in the flipping arse. So I'm going to try and clean the laser from here, clean it out as much as I can, put it back together, and then hopefully, touch wood, it'll work again. If not, then I don't know what I'm going to do. That's another computer on the to repair pile. It's mounting up. The missus is, going mental with all these bits of bleeding computer all over the place. The moment of truth is it's going to be my second failed attempt at fixing something. Not having much luck at this, am I? Let's find out. Right. Right, well, everything's working there. Let's see if the game works. Goodness me. Come on. Nout. Nothing. Zip doodly doodahs. The word I use for that is bullshit. Not reading the disc at all. Ah, sod it. Well, that's that. Balls. Never bug out.